Hi everyone, I am Priyanka and this is my design team kit for the month of October. And since the fall is all around, so they have come up with this paper pack. It's called Autumn Florals and I have got the 12 by 12 collection and the other one is Autumn Floral Basics. So both have different patterns. So let me show you quickly. Look at this. So first of all, you can use these from the cover as well, but behind they have these strips where we have sentiments in colored backgrounds coordinating with the paper pack, and it really adds on to your cards. And then we have these small journal cards. These are 3 by 4 and you can use and cut them out and use in your cards or your matting or as well as your frames, or different things that you can do with this. And at the background you have this grungy pattern of a chipped wallpaper kind of thing or a wall. Then we have this beautiful floral and it's a perfect paper for making your layouts. And then at the back they have this gingham pattern, and then we have these wreaths and small flower bouquets. You can even fussy cut them out and use them. And then we have this wooden panels. The next one is this beautiful shop that's just filled with beautiful things inside, and then they have this floral cluster, and then we have these diagonal stripes. Love this. This pattern paper is so rustic and beautiful, and you can fussy cut them out as well and it will make a beautiful pattern background. Then we have another plaid kind of pattern at the back. Look at this beautiful wreath. Isn't it beautiful? So you can fussy cut them out, use in your layouts, make some pop-ups, or you can decorate an arch, do lots of things here. And this is a floral delicate leaves and patterns, very pretty. And then the papers repeat themselves. So they also come in the 6 by 6 patterns. You can just go and check them out. If that suits your needs more, you can order that. The Autumn Floral Basics has these cute puppies, pumpkins and flowers, mushrooms, and this truck full of harvest. And then again we have beautiful sentiments at the back. Love the colors. They can coordinate with each other, both the pattern papers. And here we have a longer journal cards, and then we have shorter ones, and then we have borders as well. So, and then at the back you have this plaid. This one again can be turned into a beautiful shadow box or a 3D kind of setup, just looking outside in the nature and relaxing, having a cup of coffee filled with your fall and artistic rustic things. Isn't it pretty? And then we have this beautiful pumpkin background. Love this. So that's why I couldn't resist both the paper packs. I knew this was too much autumn for me, but I couldn't resist it. Beautiful patterns and florals, and I'm totally loving the colors. Look at this, it's a bit different. This pattern, I don't know if the camera is doing justice to it, but again a beautiful nature scene. Looks like a lake and a sun setting, and beautiful flower clusters on the sides. Looks very pretty. And then you have this cute puppies. Isn't that adorable? Yeah. And then we have another journal card. So these are the longer ones, like 4 by 6, and then you can use them as frames or mat them or make them into many different things. And then we have this beautiful pattern. Again, this is a very different one. And last but not the least, this one, wooden panels with the green color, mint color, and then the floral clusters, and the back is this orange plaid. Loving this paper pack a lot. Now who can resist the embossed die cuts, right? Let me show that quickly. So let me show you the embossed die cuts first. So this is the first sheet here. These are pre-cut and you just have to take these out from the sheet and they are ready to use. Also these are embossed, like if you touch your finger, run your finger through it, you will feel the texture, and it's a bit glazy to the look. They are very pretty. They have thought of all the designs, and look at the clusters and leaves, all pre-cut for you. Don't have to do many things. Look at this mushrooms and this spiced coffee, something like that, and the pears. So these are the embossed die cuts for you. And then let's take a look at the autumn florals tags and tickets. So these ones here are in different colors and shapes, and they also have the sentiments. They have the tags in different shapes, some tickets, beautiful embellishments to adorn your cards. We have these small roses and butterfly tags and banners, tickets, beautiful. And they also have these holes for your tags, and that's the 4 sheets. So there are 4 sheets in all these pre-cut embossed die cuts. So go and have a look on their website and you will love them. I got this shimmer gold cardstock. They have different colors in the shimmer. So this is A5 size with 10 sheets, and it's really heavyweight. That's 300 GSM. It's perfect for making your shadow boxes or even your boxes. Then I got the Christmas red 12 by 12 smooth cardstock. There are 12 sheets of 300 GSM. So I'm really excited to use this. I paired these with the Christmas cutter parts. So this is Christmas time cutter parts, embossed die cut, Christmas tree farm, and woodland Christmas embossed die cuts. So let me show them quickly. That's the Christmas tree farm embossed die cuts. So these are all pre-cut again, and they have this glazy embossed finish. I thought these creatures and the colors are really suitable for making the craft colored Christmas cardstocks. They will pop out really well on those. And just in case I ran out of red cardstock, I thought let's order that. It was beautiful red shade. So these are the 4 sheets in the embossed die cut Christmas tree farm. And then we have the woodland Christmas. So these ones have these woodland creatures and some candy houses and stockings and gifts. And that's another sheet here. Then this one and the last one. Look at the beautiful creatures and the pine cones, this tree stump, lots of beautiful things in this one. Woodland Christmas embossed die cuts, right? Now the cutter parts are quite different than the embossed die cuts. So these have 18 single-sided sheets. These are 6 by 8 and you have 6 designs of 3 each. So you need to cut them out. So that's why they are called cutter parts. So first one is this beautiful, loving these needle shaped leaves. I forgot the name, what's it called. The next one is this beautiful carriage, lots of light elements in this and beautiful arrangements. Then we have some family like jumper, set of books, Santa and the birds. That's the third. Then this is the fourth one. It's a cake and a toy soldier, some kids having fun in the Christmas, and I love this clock, really pretty. Then nothing is complete without the fireplace. So we have the fireplace, the Christmas truck carrying the trees, and the people playing in the snow with the snowman. And then this one is the last sheet. So that's the cupcakes, some things to eat, beautiful arrangements for Christmas decorations. So these are the 6 designs and then they repeat themselves. So you will get 3 sheets of each design, and I'm just very excited to work with them. So that's the cutter parts for you, right? Now let's dive into the dies that I got. So these are the dies. This one, the first one, I got stitched oval frames. I just took them out of the packaging and put it in plastic sleeves that I ordered. And so that's the first die that I got. And then this one is the second die. So let me open this up for you. So that's the image here. You get 3 dies. If you see, just like that, it's their perfect for layering as well as making shakers. And this lattice design in the center can do lots of various things, beautiful creations in different ways. So that's my second die, and that's the third die. This one is scalloped rectangle frames metal die. So these also have 2 designs. I ordered the oval one in this design last month, so I thought let's just complete the whole set. So these are the 3 dies that I got. So this is it from my side for this month. All the products will be listed down below and you can check them out and go through their website and have fun shopping. That's it from my side. I'm Priyanka on behalf of Paper Rose Studio, and stay tuned for beautiful inspirations. Thank you so much. Bye.